And now on to the third wine in your Taste and Place flight today, our 2019 Rosé. This pale pink rosé is primarily made with the saignée process, which is a French word that means to bleed, and I'll explain that a little bit. So when I harvest the red grapes for this wine, and in this case we're about 50% Merlot and 50% Cabernet Franc, I actually put the grapes in refrigeration overnight to chill them down and get them nice and cold. The next day, I destem the grapes and put them into tank. At this point, the juice is practically colorless, so I have to give it some time, usually 24 to 36 hours, for the juice to start to pick up a nice light pink hue. When I'm happy with the pink color, I bleed off 10 to 25% of the juice out of the tank, and that's actually where the term saignée or to bleed comes from. So I take out 10 to 25% of the volume. At this point, the juice is pink and beautiful, and the remainder of the juice is fermented as a red wine. So I get two things. One, a gorgeous rosé, and two, some concentration of flavors, colors, and tannins in my higher end reds. The aroma of this wine is strawberries and raspberries, highlighted by a bright, exciting acidity, clean finish with a hint of caramel at the end. I basically make this wine to be a food-friendly wine, so there's hardly anything that it won't pair well with. I like to balance out heavier dishes, for example, a bruschetta or a grilled salmon with the bone-dry freshness of this rosé. Alternatively, you could choose more citrus-based dishes like gazpacho or fish tacos. So enjoy your rosé.